Okay, this is gonna be my last video. Now this is a Goodman that my brother came across. And it's super quiet. Interesting. The data is all the way over there. I'm not gonna come over. And my battery's running low, so that will be the last. Okay, never mind. This is my last. Oh, I thought this one was running. No, it's not. I think that has pretty quiet. It's from 2015. And finally, this American Standard is running. It's really quiet. Surprisingly quiet. It's from 2000, I think. And there's an old Lennox, an interesting like sound blanket or something. Yeah, it's weird. This one. Huh? Yeah, it's an old one. And over here's a Goodman, the Copeland school. I can't tell from this photo, but I think I really have to turn off the camera because it's late. My parents are probably getting worried about me, and my battery is about to die. So yeah. Alright, I think this is my last video for the day. Actually, I'm officially making my last video. So there's an American Standard and a Janitrol. This Janitrol is running. Wait, no, they're both running. Just that the Janitrol is much louder. I believe it has a Bristol, but it also kind of sounds like a Copeland. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Alright. So there's a Payne over here and an Aireflo. This Payne has Copeland reciprocating compressor. A very loud thunder. It's squeaking. And then here's the Aireflo, which has a scroll. It's pretty sweaty. Data sheet is full. And then the last unit. One of the quietest air conditioners I've ever came across. 36,000. Huh? I don't know where it's from. That is so quiet compared to the ones here. Oh yeah, this Payne is Alright, over and out.